Hello everybody, this is a video tutorial to show you how to get and install Battlefield 2 HD on your computer. So first thing you want to do is go to a web browser and you want to go to my website, which is battlefield2hdpro.com. And as you can see in the center of the web page it says downloads. It'd be right here. And if you mouse over download BF2 HD, you will see it will highlight. Go ahead and left click that and you will see a file downloading called BFHD gold2.zip. Now it should take roughly about an hour to download this, and I'm going to close this because I already have this file on my computer. Now I'm going to locate that file. Alright, so here is the zip file that was downloaded. It is BFHD gold2.zip, just like I had said. So the first thing you want to do is create a new folder. You can name it anything you want. I'm going to name it BFHD gold, just like that. And I'm going to put the zip folder inside the new folder. And the reason I do this is so that way when you extract the files, they're all right there in front of you and you're not lost. Alright, so I'm going to select extract here. And it will take some time, but the files are extracting into the new folder that was created. Alright, so now you can see the files have extracted and you will find a bfhd.exe file. Go ahead and open this. Go ahead and click yes on the prompt and click I accept the agreement and click next. Go ahead and click next on the patch, and now it is going to install into the C drive directory. So it's C drive program files x86 bullet BFHD. That's the location it goes, and you do not want to change that. It'll break the game if you change that. So all you want to do is click next. Alright, now ask for a shortcut. You're not going to need this shortcut. Just click next. Now click on install. If you want a shortcut, I'll show you how to make one, but the one it tries to give you is the wrong one. Okay, now you want to click on random for the Battlefield 2 key manager. So click random, click apply and close, and you never have to worry about a key code ever again. Alright, now for Punkbuster, go ahead and click next, click I agree, and I'll run a quick test. Go ahead and click next. The new window says test completed successfully without error. Click OK, then click on finish. And it asks you to restart. Go ahead and click on no, it does not need to restart. Click on finish. And now we're going to go into the directory that the game installed. Program files x86, bullet bull3t, BFHD, and now you will see two exe files. One is bf2.exe, the other one is bf2_ru.exe. bf2.exe will load you into the game, but it will not load into a master server. This is why I mentioned that the desktop icon will not work. If you want a desktop icon shortcut, you will have to make a shortcut of this file. But I'm going to skip that because you can do that if you want to, it doesn't matter. Anyways, let's open this. Open bf2ru.exe. Okay, go ahead and click on Play Multiplayer and accept terms. And now fill out your information. Go ahead and create an account if you don't have one. Alright, now I'm going to go to options and change the audio so I can be heard better. Alright, now I can hear myself better as well. Okay, so before we get in game, I have to show you how to fix a memory leak error. The first thing you want to do is go to video. So we went to options and now we go to video. And you want to find texture. Go ahead and change it from low to high. Click apply and click OK. Go to multiplayer and you can find my server. The server is Battlefield 2 HD Pro, or you can type in the IP. The IP address is 96.43.128.124, and the port, just leave it alone, it's good. Click on OK, and I am joining server. Now it's asking for optimizing shaders, it's going to do that, and this is usually where the error occurs, but the error is not going to occur because I went to the options tab and I went to the video tab and I went to the textures and changed it from low to high. Alright, memory error fixed, and I am joining game. So as you can see, that totally worked. Now I will show you the memory error in case what I just showed you did not fix the problem. This way you know what you're looking at, and you might have another solution to solve the problem. Okay, so I have an account that I can retrieve. Like I say, the only reason I go to audio here is just so that way I can actually hear myself and you can hear me as well. Okay, so last time I showed you go to video and you change the texture from low to high. If that did not work for you, the other option is you just deal with it and you load the server, and again you type in my IP, so 96.43.128.124, and OK. Okay, so on Windows 10 it will prompt you with that sound and show you this icon, and that indicates that there's something on the desktop, and currently we can't see it. And if you hit C, it will continue and bypass it. However, I'm going to actually show you what it is and what it looks like. So I'm going to Alt Tab. Now when you Alt Tab, you'll see that there's this black window. This black window is actually Battlefield 2. I have these other windows open, and you only see windows. You can't see what's behind this black window, and you can't drop it down either. What you can do is hit C and it will continue. It may jump it to the right side and you can actually see it, or it will just continue it. But I'm going to show you what it is. So if you hold Alt and hit Tab, you can see I'm on OBS, and I can keep tabbing until I'm on this BF2 memory error. Memory DLL sanity check block, blah blah blah, 20 megabyte size, doesn't seem sane. Okay, so that's the problem. When I let go of that, it's still behind there and you can't use the mouse to accept anything. So I'm currently on the error, and I can hit C and it will continue. And it immediately pulls me back in the game. And as you can see, it happened again. Now we can go to Windows and do that same process, but it's easier than that. You can literally just stay right here and hit the letter C on your keyboard, and as you can see, the BF2 icon is spinning again, and it's properly verifying client data, and it's going to ask me to join game in a second here, which it just did, and there it is, I'm in game. Excellent.